Hola, welcome back. This week we are going to Sonic to do the Sonic challenge and get drinks and mix them together. She's gonna get 2, I'm gonna get 2. Not of our choices. You know what I mean. Anyways, we're gonna mix them together and then we have to drink them. And it's not our choice. That's my friend Michaela. She's cool and awesome. Coming soon, surprise guest. Vangie wanted to switch up the rules.
Did she know?
Yes, she did.
So what we're doing is we're gonna get 6 flavors of slushies. And what we're gonna do is one of us is gonna be blindfolded or just not be able to look. And the other person is gonna take 2 of the flavors, mix them together, stir it up, and then give it to the person. They have to drink it and see if they can figure out what the 2 flavors are. And if they can, they get a point. And if they can't, then the other person gets a point. If they only guess one of the flavors, neither of them get a point. What should we get?
Do they have chicken sandwiches?
Sydney? Are those all the flavors? How many flavors? 1, 2, 3.
69.
No, Michaela.
I was singing and I didn't realize her window was down, and the kid in the car next to us looked at me weird. I didn't mean to. Don't look at me like that.
Thank you for choosing Alpha Sonic. I'm sorry about your wait. How can I help you?
Hi, do you guys have chocolate slushies?
We do not, but we can attempt to make one.
Okay. May I have 1 small chocolate slushie, 1 small blackberry slushie, 1 small watermelon slushie, 1 small mango slushie, 1 small blue coconut slushie, and a medium blue raspberry, please.
Alrighty, we'll have it right out to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Who orders a chocolate slushie?
Us.
I'm sure there's a person out there who orders a chocolate slushie. She's literally talking to the manager right now. He's shaking his head. I think that's ours.
Hey, she goes to school with us.
She goes to school with us. She's gonna be like,
Vangie.
hello.
How are you?
Oh, that's fast.
Thank you. Would you like to have like this like
Thank you.
chocolate slush? I've never heard of that.
We saw it on the flavors and we were like, let's give it a shot.
If it tastes good, let me know, because if it is, I'm gonna trick my husband. I'm gonna be mean and make him a chocolate slush.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're back. We got drinks.
Yes, we got the drinks, as you can see from
And-
Song.
If you want, you can scroll down to our YouTube page to our first video. And this is the spot where we filmed our first YouTube video
And it's a coincidence.
that we were mixing.
Drinks again, which is exactly what we're doing. 6 slushies from Sonic. One of them is literally not on the menu. We had them special make it for us. And the blackberry one says that they had to add the blackberry. So, same
We
thing.
dare you to go to Sonic and ask them to make you
A chocolate. What we're gonna do is we already explained. Basically, we just take 2 drinks, mix them together, make the other person drink. They guess it. If they guess both of them, they get a point. If they don't guess either of them, the other person gets a point. If they only guess one, neither of us get a point. How many rounds we did? 5 rounds.
I do not understand the point system, but I'll get along with it.
Whoever has the least points at the end of the 5 rounds has to have all 6 mixed together and drink. And the other person gets to choose how much of each they add. My cringe just hit an all-time top. All right. Don't laugh like that ever. That was really close to hitting the camera. That was awesome. We are not repeating our first video. Insert a clip of how cringy we were. Not just of me, because that's something you would do. Got caught on the edge and just... Right.
Hey!
That's my 5. 5. Where's the... Oh. I don't know what to start with.
I almost just stuck that up my nose. It's like...
What does it taste like?
This is my childhood.
What?
Blue coconut. And watermelon?
That is correct. Sydney gets a point. Why do you laugh like that? Ew, I just cringed. Ew, that sounds disgusting. I already don't want to drink it.
Too bad, sweet cheeks.
You're putting the chocolate in, aren't you?
No. I can't tell you. Oh no.
Did you forget what you put in?
No.
That's the sweetest thing I've tasted in my life. I think that might be black cherry.
We don't have a black cherry.
Blackberry.
We also have not tasted these yet.
Yeah, we haven't tried these yet. It's either mango or black cherry, blackberry, and something else. We're going with blackberry and blue raspberry?
Those are your two final answers.
Yes. What did I get?
It was blackberry and watermelon. Sorry the camera angle changed.
We had
camera angle changed. My mom decided to FaceTime me. This is a cherry sweet tea from Sonic. Not sponsored, but you should try it because it's really, really good.
You should try sponsoring us is the correct thing to say, Sydney.
This literally tastes like nothing. I'm not even kidding. It does not have a flavor. It feels like I'm just drinking iced water. Where's the straw?
Oh, your tongue is black.
This literally has no flavor.
You have a guess? You're missing your face. Put it here. Just drink it already.
I can't.
You took it out. Okay, I put it back.
Blackberry and blue coconut.
Yeah, those are both wrong. Watermelon, blue raspberry.
It doesn't have a flavor. It literally tastes like I'm drinking ice water. I'm not kidding. Stop drinking.
I can't! It's an addiction.
This is an AA meeting.
Ooh, it smells like you.
Is that a bad thing?
No, it just smells like you.
What do I smell like?
I don't know, you smell like Sydney.
What is that?
You.
What does that smell like?
Like you.
I want to know what I smell like. I don't understand. Is it
I
bad?
smell. That's what this smells like. Are you gonna smell?
I can't smell me.
Sydney smells like Sydney. In case you guys are wondering. You smell like Sydney.
Okay, what does Sydney smell like? Don't
You.
you say me.
I didn't say me, I said you.
Don't say you.
I didn't say me, I said you.
Don't say Sydney.
It smells like you.
Vangie?
Okay, just go. I just feared for my life. I have goosebumps.
Oops.
Right, nobody knows what you smell like but me.
That's creepy.
Ew, it's pink.
That's funny. You're so funny.
Thank you. It smells like chocolate.
You can't smell it, you dingle.
What difference does it make? Mango chocolate.
Yeah.
Mango chocolate, that's disgusting.
Why is it so heavy? Give me my oh. chocolate. Look, it's just all chocolate.
How does it taste? You said you wanted to taste it. I was like, okay, I'll give her a taste.
Chocolate and blue raspberry.
Final answer?
I really want to taste it again, but I can't. It's like dark chocolate. That's what makes it disgusting.
Technical difficulties part 2. Okay, Sydney guessed chocolate, did not guess blue coconut, she guessed blue raspberry. This looks disgusting. It to be equal. Definitely mango in there. Mango watermelon?
Oh, dang it. I dropped my cup in this.
That's my final answer. Mango watermelon.
Yeah.
That's really good. Go ahead.
Watermelon. Blackberry. No, blue something. Blue coconut. No. Blackberry and blue watermelon.
So we had another technical difficulties.
I can't get out.
We didn't know that it stopped recording. No, it wasn't an entire round.
Because my storage was full.
I had to guess. It was chocolate and blue coconut, and I guessed chocolate and blue raspberry, so neither of us get a point. We're at a point right now where I have 3 points, Sydney has 1. If she guesses the next 2, what?
What you mean I have 1? I've guessed a lot.
1.
I feel like I've been cheated out of this game.
Nope, you haven't. I knew you'd say something like this. That's why I literally have this paper keeping score.
Yeah, you've been keeping score.
You have been supposed to keep score, and you just haven't. Can you stop? Quiet on set, please. Okay, or if she guesses the next one right, and I guess the next one after that both wrong, then we'll be tied. And we will both have to take, how many gulps? 3.
No.
2?
1.
2 is in the middle of 3. And 1. Of whatever mixture we've come up with.
No.
I'm literally just gonna add a whole thing of chocolate.
You do it, I will. She sleeps tonight.
Ooh.
Not like that.
Close your eyes with the thingy.
Mango.
Expecting to taste the other ingredient.
Where's the straw? Ow! Mango and watermelon, or mango and blue coconut. Mango, blue coconut. Mango, blue coconut. Mango.
Really?
Oh,
What's your final answer?
no.
What's your final answer?
Mango.
And?
Watermelon.
Okay, what's your final answer?
Good question. Watermelon.
Final answer?
Stop asking me that.
I need to know when your final answer is because you've changed it back and forth every time I ask you. Final answer? Final answer, what is it? Water coconut.
Watermelon.
And?
Mango.
Final answer? Say yes or no. Yes, okay. That is incorrect on both of them. Just kidding, it's correct on both of them. You're like, I know it's mango. Yeah, you got a point. Make a choice. Danny? Shh. I thought you left me. I got scared. Okay, I had to see if you were there.
Okay, stop.
Don't leave. That was cute.
I'm trying to make a video. Get out
I
of
don't
here.
trust you. I don't trust you at all. Stop. I'm sorry.
There's a bug in this one.
Get it out. Sydney. What are you doing?
Stop caressing me.
You stood up. It scares me. I think you're gonna leave me.
Aw, so sweet.
No, I just. Okay, no. Should I drink it?
Yes.
I know you did something shady.
I didn't. Just go.
I heard you. Go squeeze. It tastes like your cherry sweet tea.
Thanks.
Nini,
What?
you did something shady.
No, I didn't.
It's watermelon and blue raspberry. Done. That's my final answer. What was it?
You got it wrong. Also, my hair thingy broke.
That's a weird combination.
And you said we have to take 2. This is in between 1 and 3. I said we should take 1. But let's take.
I didn't think I was gonna lose.
Just go.
All I taste is chocolate. I did too. You can see it on.
Normally I don't do these, but I'm looking while I'm editing. And Vangie did not take 2 swallows. She took 1. And you can argue with me all you want, but she took 1 swallow. And I am suing.
The things we do.
So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video,
Please give it a thumbs up.
I don't really care if you don't like this video.
We did our best. We literally both had to take 2 chugs of this.
Subscribe.
For more content.
No, just subscribe.
Subscribe, like, or comment. Which one? All of them. Hashtag InSync. Okay, gotta go.
Bye.
Bye. I'm concerned. I'm calling the cops.
Peace out, we done.